and Shalom family. Gigi and Pop Pop on our way to work. I was just sitting here and I was thinking, let's talk about outdoor showers. I put up a quick post. It was a short on our living space, which we love, our cottage here in Hawaii. But of course, I'm sure because it didn't show the other amenities, I'm going to call it, that we have. I just wanted to share a little bit about outdoor shower. We love it. I'll have to put up a video of the outdoor shower, but it's you know, when people are traveling Airbnb, or they always kind of tout the outdoor shower and people like that. And from what I can gather, we've been, you know, I've been looking at videos from years ago on housing in Hawaii, and people would have put on their home on the outside, they'd have an outside shower. So that's something that people kind of look for. But living with it every day, we like it. But what are some of the challenges, honey? When it gets a little chilly. Yeah, but I mean, when you think of camping, you know, and this is something I always say, be careful what you pray about and what you ask for, because y'all just might give it to you. I've been asking to live off grid, and the shower is completely enclosed. It's not outside, and like I said, I'll show a video. But you know, when it's dark or not getting light soon enough, it could get a little chilly. But with the sun out and all of that, that's great. It works. It's just fine. What are your thoughts?
I mean, it's an adjustment. Not much to say about that.
Do you like it though, or do you not like it?
I mean, it's not even a like or dislike. It just do it and take a shower.
And when it was warm, David would come back from the shower and be like, "Oh, this is great." Now it's kind of cool, so it's a little different experience. But like we said, you gotta what did you just say? You gotta transition. You gotta adjust. That's the word. Oh, look at that! Look at that mountain. I'm glad I put this up. So you have to adjust. So see, this is the ride to work every day. So you have your pros and cons. So I don't want to like act like everything is so great, because there are days that it's not. When you got, and thankfully the water gets really hot. It's solar powered, but we just had to have it. They had to have it serviced so that it's hot, and so all the water, thankfully, is very hot. So that helps. Some people live like this all the time, where they like it chilly and they like to get in the water. I know when I used to go to Utah for work, travel for work, I used to be like, what? Y'all getting in the pool and it's 30 degrees? And so at least it doesn't get that cold here. It gets chilly. It gets windy when it's raining or when the sun's not out. I guess what's the lowest it gets? It's gotten in the 50s, right? 59. Okay. So yeah, it may feel like a little like 50 something lower, but yeah, I don't think it gets too cold. And actually, they said this season's been a little odd, and the weather's been interesting everywhere. Like either super cold.
But that's just at night.
Right. That's just at night. Like today, it's gonna be 76. I think I saw. And it's a different 76 in January than a 76 in, let's say, August. But it is warm. And that's the little bridge we just went through. I don't think I've ever given you a full ride all the way from home to David's job. But look at, I mean, this alone for me is good. I love this part. Just looking at this. Looking at God's creation. So Okay, back on topic. You can't help but see this and just be wild and stop and admire what, the finger of Yah. I think the Bible say his handiwork is beautiful. These mountains are beautiful. So yeah, it doesn't get freezing, although because I guess our blood is thinned out. If it does get a little warm at night, we do have a bit of a little heater that can take the chill off, but rarely do you want to sleep with that on all night. Just take the chill off and it stays warm, because most people have their windows open like all year round, or if not all the windows, some of them, because it's quick to get hot too. Like you think it's cold and the next minute it's burning up. So you just I love that word. That's the word for today. Adjust. You got to make adjustments wherever you are and with wherever Yah has placed you, whether it's in the workplace, at home, in your town. We make those adjustments, and in doing that, we are grateful and thankful. So have a heart of gratitude. You know, because some people don't even have a home. Some people don't have a shower. We see that here on all of the island. Well, at least I know Oahu and this island, that there's some homelessness, and Oahu has a lot of homeless problem, a lot of homeless, or what they call houseless. What's this over here? Oh wow, look at these people there on the water. And so with that, they're looking, you know, they need places to shower, to brush your teeth. So again, just so thankful we have things in place, and we look forward to sharing more with you on the next one. We're almost at Pop Pop's job. So have a wonderful day, everybody.